Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Begin by choosing a quiet room with soft surfaces and minimal echo. Close doors and move noisy devices away while recording. Select a quality microphone, deciding between USB or XLR depending on budget and needs. Position the mic about 6 inches from your mouth and attach a 3.5-inch pop filter. Use an audio interface for XLR mics and set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz. Monitor with closed-back headphones to avoid bleed and ensure clean takes. Start each session with vocal warm-ups to loosen your voice and breath support. Practice breathing and articulation exercises for 3 to 5 minutes before recording. Read the script aloud, keeping sentences conversational and pacing calm for listener clarity. Edit the script to mark pauses and emphasize key words for natural intonation. Maintain consistent mouth-to-mic distance and avoid plosive consonants directly into the mic. Record multiple takes with small variations in tone to choose the best performance later. Import your best takes into audio editing software and organize tracks for clarity. Remove breaths, clicks, and background noise conservatively to preserve natural sound. Normalize peaks to around -3 dB to leave headroom for mastering. Apply gentle EQ to reduce muddiness and add presence, then use light compression to even dynamic range. Use a de-esser to tame harsh sibilants without dulling the voice. Export final files as WAV at 48,000 Hz 24-bit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.